Welcome guys, this is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner, and today I am creating my color swatches. So I'm using some book rings that I got from the Dollar Tree, which comes 10 in a pack. And my cardstock I cut down 2 inches by 3.5 inches. And I would recommend that you start within your scraps first. To create my holes, I'll be using the Crocodile by We Are Memory Keepers. It comes with a depth guide so you can determine how far in you would like your holes to be punched. You can purchase a Crocodile from Amazon. So I gathered 4 swatches at one time and punch a hole. Then I will take one of those swatches as a guide to create the rest of my holes. Another tip is to write on the back of the cardstock the name of the color as well as the company where you bought it from. Now to open the rings, you want to push forward and push backward and up. So on my right hand, I'm pushing forward, and the left hand, I'm pushing back, and you're going to pull up at the same time because these are doozies to open. Next is just to organize your swatches by color family. So now you have your colors at hand, which is quickly and easy accessible to choose winning color combination. You'll be amazed even whites and the different hues that whites would have. If you have different whites by different companies. So do you guys have color swatches, and how do you organize your color swatches? Drop it in the comments down below. And if you don't, I hope you'll take the time out to create one of these color swatches for yourself. So if you guys are new to my channel, you like what you see here today, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below as well as that bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.